In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on NDAX step by step using the mobile app. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, and by the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to place your first Bitcoin order. Before we start, I already have my NDAX account created, verified, and funded. If you still need to fund your account, I have a separate tutorial linked in the description below that shows the full process step by step. Let's jump into it. Once you open the NDAX app, head over to the trade section. In most cases, this should already be the default screen when you open the app. If you do not see it, look for the 3 bars at the bottom of the screen and tap there. You should now see a list of cryptocurrencies available on NDAX. Bitcoin is usually right at the top, so go ahead and tap on Bitcoin. This screen will show the Bitcoin chart along with the current price action. Beginners sometimes get distracted by all the numbers and charts here. But for this tutorial, we only need to focus on the trading buttons at the bottom. You should see both a buy and sell button. Tap on buy. Now you'll see different order types. These include market, limit, stop, and stop limit. The 2 most common order types for beginners are market and limit orders. A market order buys Bitcoin instantly at the current market price. This is the easiest option if you just want your order filled right away. A limit order lets you choose the exact price you want to buy Bitcoin at. Your order will only go through if Bitcoin reaches that price. This gives you more control, but the trade may not execute immediately. For this tutorial, we'll use a market order so the purchase happens right away. Next, choose your order size. You can either type the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, or you can enter the value in Canadian dollars. For this video, we'll buy $5 worth of Bitcoin. As you enter the amount, NDAX will automatically estimate how much Bitcoin you'll receive. One thing to keep in mind is that the final market price may be slightly higher, because NDAX makes money on the bid and ask spread. They also charge a small trading fee. Before placing the order, quickly review all the details to make sure everything looks correct. Then press buy. And that's it, your Bitcoin purchase is complete. You can now head back to your portfolio or wallet section to see your Bitcoin balance. Also remember that you do not need to buy a full Bitcoin. Even small purchases are completely fine when you're starting out and learning how crypto investing works. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more beginner-friendly tutorials. And thanks for watching.